Y como dicen, corazón lleno, panza contenta. ¿O cómo iba? Hello everybody, so today we are in the kitchen.
And I am excited because I'm going to share my favorite tuna recipe, and I am 100% sure that you guys are going to love it because I love it, everybody loves it, and it is pretty great. So put on your aprons and let's start cooking. Now I'm putting on my apron so that I don't get my clothes dirty. My apron is on and we're ready to start cooking. So for starts, we're gonna use a medium-sized bowl, a can opener. I'm gonna need a big, large knife, a wooden spoon or any spoon, big spoon is fine, plastic, and a simple tablespoon will work. Hey guys, so now I have this cabbage. Lettuce will work too, just in case you don't have cabbage, but I prefer cabbage. Then I have these 2 medium tomatoes. You can use a large or just adjust to your choice. I have onion, which I'm only going to use about 1/4. Then I have a jalapeño pepper. You can use this or you can use chile en vinagre. Either will work. Okay, so now I'm going to take my onion. You guys, I love this tuna. It is so good. I eat it like twice a freaking week. And I have this little plate right here, and I'm just gonna drop everything right here on the corner and keep this plate by my side. Now taking my little pepper, I'm just gonna start to carve into this baby. And I love chile, but you guys have to kind of do it your way because I'm gonna use a lot of chile, but you don't have to. It can all be to your liking. I'm not getting all the seeds, so right here I'm just cutting it in circles. If you can see, I'm just like spinning my pepper in a circle so that not all the seeds come down. Using a big knife makes everything so much easier. Putting all my ingredients here on the little plate. There you go, set it aside. So again, for this, you're gonna have to be really, really careful to not make any huge chunks of cabbage because no one wants to eat a big, thick slice. So what I do is very, very closely, like very thin, like if you're cutting up fish in half, like a little fillet. And I go like this sometimes to speed it up. And you want a lot of this. So this is kind of like the flavor, and I love cabbage. It gives it a better taste, honestly, than lettuce, but all depends on your choice or what you have in the fridge, because sometimes we have to improvise. We don't do measurements here. It's according to your liking, but I do recommend you to use a lot, at least half the cabbage. So I'm gonna insert the cabbage inside my bowl. There you go. My other vegetables as well. We gotta eat healthy here. So it looks a little like this. Okay. I have here these 2 chunk-like tunas, and they are in water. You can also purchase them in vegetable oil for the purpose of it being a little healthier. We're gonna do chunk-like tuna in water. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this.
The master of can opening.
Twist this little baby off. Use your Hercules strength. And twist and twist and twist. And twist.
And you're gonna leave a little tiny
Edge without cutting. You're gonna use this little tip to open so that you don't cut your fingers. But first you're gonna drain it. So it's time to drain these. Drain them with the lid a little close. Watch, I'll show you guys. So the trick here is to press on the lid and drain the water out like so. So you open up your tuna without hurting yourself, obviously. And you're just gonna put this in here. And I'm just gonna clean out my little tray. Drop it in here. We're almost done. This is super quick. And if you guys want to see more cooking videos, let me know. I will totally be up to it. My next step is to add salt. You can use regular salt or sea salt. Just enough. And some black peppercorn. This black pepper. It's just the McCormick brand. And this is salt of the sea brand. Or Riega, I guess that's what it's called. This right here is the secret ingredient. It is the Kraft Mayo. This one is so good. I prefer this one over the Best Foods one. This one doesn't have that eggy smell or taste, and you can use as much as you want, and it's gonna like up your food 10 times better. So I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons. Again, try it out with a little bit and then add some more. So I'm gonna add 2 right there, and I might need more because I used 2 cans of tuna. I'm gonna add a little bit more mayo, like half a spoon, because I want it to be very nice and moist. I'm just flipping it, all the corners. I swear y'all, my stomach's growling just like smelling this. It's already lunchtime, so I am beyond excited to eat this. Last but not least, obviously, an important part of this recipe is sweet peas and corn. I'm gonna do this fast. I'm just gonna drain the water real quick. You guys already saw me drain the tuna. It's pretty easy. That's what I'm gonna do, drain this from their juices. And then you use the little edge to open. So you're gonna add these like this. Look how pretty. Oh my god. Yes. Taking my spoon, I'm gonna mix. Oh yes. And the smell is coming together. Wow. This is nice and moist. This is foolproof. Honestly, anybody can make it. If I can, you can. And just flipping these around with my wooden spoon. I swear, you guys, use jalapeños like the chile en vinagre ones because that will change your game. It looks about mixed and ready. I'm going to show you guys the final product. Yes, we are done, and it smells delicious. I'm obviously gonna eat it with saladitas. You can use saladitas, tostadas, anything you like, and it will up the taste. Do not forget to put your Valentina on it. Honestly, game changer. You can use tapatio or Valentina, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle it all over. And yeah. Have fun eating, you guys. This video was so much fun to film. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.
I eat like an animal because that's what I am.
Oh, for real though? Try the extra mayo in it.
This is honestly so good. You guys have to try it. Let me know what you think, for sure. Let me know. Love you guys.